walking to my room now. I don't know why there's no light, but oh, my room's already open. Okay, so this is my room, y'all. Look. There's a door. I can hinge it. You can push and nobody can come in. There's escape. There's the address. To be honest, I might have to post this up after because I ain't trying to let y'all see where I'm at, and I'm staying here for a week, so ew, the laundry room. Dirty. This is like the furnace. So this is the laundry room. Oh yeah, like a vacuum in our room. Okay. I thought the laundry room would be bigger because the videos that I seen, the laundry was bigger. So it's like an old type of laundry. What does it say? Add softener here. Softener, so I guess that's the like dryer, and this is oh, since it's dirty too, but it's not that dirty, so I guess it's old. I can use it. Oh my god, they give you laundry detergent. What? They give you a basket. Okay, so this is called the Royal Palms, if y'all didn't know. It's called the Royal Palms. So there's the next light. I love this when you walk in. The only reason why I got it because it said free shuttle to the event, and I'm like, and then the guy's telling me now that even though the shuttle stops running at 11, I can still get the other shuttle, which is the Marriott and the Marriott World Center, and they can bring me back here, and then I can just walk. It's like literally this close. I'm like, then I could walk. Like what? And this is like, I don't know what this is, to be honest. The next mirror, hey guys. And the next mirror, that's the thermostat. I don't know how to work that. I guess you go up, you go down. I gotta figure that out. This is just a wall here, like a foyer. This is the washroom. Well, one of the washrooms I have. Tell me how I have 2 bedrooms and 2 washrooms, okay? Don't laugh at me. I needed a room. I wanted something close for this event, so that's just it. I'm getting 2 rooms, and my mother was saying to, I don't want to share a room with somebody because I've been through a lot where, like I said, why is it blurry? People stole my shit, so I'm scared. But if it has to happen, we have to share, then I will. So yeah, this is one of the bathrooms. It has a light switch, the plug. There's the mirror. There's me. Hey. There's that. I'm kind of like in this tub. Oh, there's a hair dryer. I want to see what kind of hair. Oh, there's toilet paper and like towels and shit. I want to see this hair dryer. Sorry, y'all. Oh, it's a cheap hair dryer. Cotton now. Okay, cotton now is very soft. I remember when I used to use this back in the day, but then it ran out. What is this? I don't know why it's blurry. There we go. There's a Kleenex for you. There's a toilet. Oh, there's this. There's like face soap. There's lotion. There's tissue there. There's tissue there. The toilet. I'm sorry. I always gotta look to see if the toilet is like proper, because you know some hotels they don't make it proper. So this is a hotel, villa, and a condo, all 3 together. This is hella money, okay? Nice bathtub. Okay, remember when I went to California? It was not like this in California, okay? I don't know. I might have to go back to that freaking hotel. I hate it. But if I go back, I'm not keeping my word to y'all. But then I'm going back for VidCon, so I don't know. I'm gonna go back for VidCon, but then I don't know. I'm trying to stay there for 2 weeks. My birthday's in the same week too, so I don't know. If I get a next hotel with like a room or kitchen, like the Residence Inn, it doesn't have like the oven, and then it's like 5,000. I ain't trying to pay 5,000. I know it's my birthday. I'm trying to be lit for my birthday, but 5,000, nah. And the rest are like far away, or like the kitchen and thing is small. I need a big room, so yeah. Let's get back to this tour. There's the closet. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Okay, let's turn off this light because I'm wasting. Here's my little luggage, my carry-on, I should say. Ew, is that a bug? Is that a bug? That is not a bug. Oh my god, I was about to go off. Ooh, and a little lamp here. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you guys the room. I just walked in. Okay. It's getting blurry. Like, I can't deal with my camera. So there's a lamp. Does it turn on? Ooh, okay. Watch ya. Okay. A little TV for my room. Okay. Actually, I'm not staying in this room. I lied. I am not. Oh my god, that scared me. I am not staying in this room. 6:32. There's a radio. Okay. Can you close the blinds? Because this is hella scary. Hold on, y'all. There we go. This is hella scary. So if somebody walk by, I'm like, This room is pretty big. 2-bedroom, but it's no one is sleeping in this room. This is sad. There's a closet. Next bed sheet. Oh, there's plugs, and then I don't even need to charge my thing. There's already a plug there for me, and then my phone. Okay, and then it says Marriott Club. Okay, this it's Marriott Club. Turn this off. I don't even know how to turn this off. There, oh. There's a closet. If I make friends, okay, so to the people I made friends with, if y'all are loyal, next time I come down here, why is this open like that? Next time I come down here, we can share a villa together. Alright, so this is the kitchen area. There's my laptop, as you can see, my little phone. Yeah, nobody messaged me. Nobody cares about me. There's the little chairs. I'm gonna be sitting here all day. I'm sitting here. I'm not sitting at this dining table. I'm sitting here. There's that. This is 2-bedroom, like I told y'all. So yeah. There's a dishwasher. I don't know how to use it. There's instructions because everywhere is different at work. When I use a dishwasher, it's different as well. Oh, there's a tea. I ain't doing tea. Probably will, you know. I think these are coasters. Ooh, look at the glass. That's a solid bow. There's a sink. Oh no. Okay, that is the disposable. We ain't doing that because I still live in a building and we don't do all this. So yeah. They gave me soap, but it's not enough to wash. Like, I'm gonna get, I forgot to bring it too, but then my luggage is full. I'm gonna have to go to the dollar store or wherever and buy like disposable plates and all, because I ain't trying to wash. I don't want to use their stuff, so yeah. There's another wall. I mean, hear me, wall. Closet or cabinet. Oh, I'm tired. This is like, this looks like a dirty turtle. What the fuck is this? But anyways, there's a knife. I can cut up. Where's the cutting board then? I'm gonna need some meat, yo. I'm gonna start taking out some of the stuff that I brought from Canada and put it on the counter. Like, I have rice, I have spaghetti, I have pasta sauce and all that. I'm crazy. My mom did a few too, you know, help me with my packing. There's that. Oh, the microwave is plugged in here. Okay. I always gotta look inside the microwave. So this is the microwave. It's LG 630. It's clean. Okay. Another cabinet. What is that? Electrical wire thingy. There's a toaster to make some eggs and nope. What does it say? Clean. I don't know what that is. I'm scared. I never used this type before. They have it in Ghana, but I was like, nah, my mama could do it. Like, no, I'm gonna have to be very careful because I mean, I burn myself, but yeah. What's in here? I always have to. Okay. Oh, this is for like the oven. Yeah. Okay. Hey, was that a bug? Ew, it is a bug. Come on. No, it's not a bug. It's like a wood thingy. Hold on. If I see bugs in here, I'm gonna go complain. You don't know me, y'all.